All right, so here we have a quick video to go over the similarities and differences of mitosis and meiosis. So the first thing we want to talk about is they both are types of cell division. They are both preceded by interphase, meaning interphase comes before. And they both are followed by cytokinesis. They both start with diploid cells. Okay, so those are just a few of the similarities. As far as differences, mitosis occurs in somatic cells, which are your body cells, which is every cell in your body except sperm and egg. Even the ovaries and testes that make the sperm and egg are going to do mitosis. It's just the actual sperm and egg precursors, the cells that will become sperm and egg, they're the only ones that do meiosis. And so gametes, which is the fancy word for sex cells, sperm and egg, whatever you want to call them, are the ones that do meiosis. In mitosis, the offspring, the daughter cells, are genetically identical to the parent. In meiosis, the daughter cells, the 4 daughter cells at the end, because they're haploid, are going to be, let's go with daughter cells instead of offspring, are genetically different than the parent. Mitosis, you're going to end up with 2 diploid cells. Oops, I just spelled that wrong. Cells, O-I. And meiosis, you're going to end up with 4 haploid cells. You do mitosis from the point of fertilization until you die. You do meiosis, well, it differs. If you're a female, you actually start doing meiosis when you're still developing inside your mom, and then you get to a certain point and you hit the pause button and you pick back up at puberty and do it until menopause. With males, so it really depends. With males, they're going to go from puberty to death. So I guess you could say females would be from fetal development to menopause. But there's a huge pause from fetal development until puberty. So they don't do it. You don't do meiosis your whole childhood. The purpose of mitosis is growth and healing, as well as asexual reproduction. And the purpose of meiosis is sexual reproduction. That's it. No other reason to do meiosis other than to produce sperm and egg. And I think that's pretty much it. You do see the tetrads pair up in meiosis. They don't do that in mitosis. You do see, sorry, those fireworks. You do see the splitting of sister chromatids in both. In meiosis, that occurs in meiosis 2. In mitosis, it just occurs in anaphase. They do both have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. So there's a lot of other maybe small differences and similarities you can think of, but that's a pretty good start. I hope that helps.